Struggling to make your Excel table look good? Don't worry. In this Excel table formatting tutorial, I'll show you just how quick and easy it is to turn a plain table into one that looks polished and professional. So let's get started. Excel provides a wide range of tools, accessible in multiple ways. In this presentation, I'll demonstrate 3 common methods: right-clicking with your mouse, using the ribbon panels and top menu, and utilizing the search field. In our first step, we will increase both the row and column size to give the text and numbers in our table more space. Click the upper left cell icon to select the whole spreadsheet. Right-click over any row title and select row height from the menu, then enter 20. Right-click over any column title and select column width, and then enter 10. Our next step is to merge the 2 table titles. For our main title, drag your mouse over the 6 columns and 2 rows. The additional row will give the main title more height. Right-click over your mouse selection and then select the Format Cells menu item. A dialog box appears where you have many options for cell formatting. Make sure the Alignment tab is selected and then select the Merge Cells checkbox. For our second title, drag your mouse over the 4 quarter columns, but this time using only 1 row. As seen previously, we will use the same method to merge these columns. Let's center all our text and numbers. In the Ribbon Bar Alignment panel, we will use the Middle Align and Center Align tool buttons. At this point, you can begin to see how our table is neatly aligned and taking shape. Now we can bold our titles. Select the top titles. Once selected, hold down the Control key and then right-click your mouse to select the last 2 titles, Subtitle and Total. In the Font panel ribbon bar, select the B tool to bold your selection. It's also good practice to make your titles larger than the data in your table. For the main table heading, we'll increase the font by 3 steps, using the Increase Font Size tool found in the ribbon bar, and then the year title by 2 steps. In my example, I will also make a few additional font size changes. Our table is looking good. Let's add borders for a better appearance. Here I will show you a straightforward way to add borders. First, we will add an outside border by selecting the whole table. Right-click to display the menu and select the Format Cells menu item. Click the Border tab. For line style, we will select a solid, thick line. In the Color drop-down box, we will select a dark green color. Finally, in the Presets section, we will select the Outline tool button. We will separate the data from the titles with 2 borders. The line and color selection are still the same. There are 2 ways to add borders using this dialog box. You can use the border window for more control over individual lines. For example, to add a bottom row to our selection, just click in the border window where you want to add the border. We will use the second method for adding inside borders to our new selection. Select a thin line in light green and then click on the Inside button. We can dress up our table by doing some simple cell and text coloring. First, let's do the top 2 titles. Dark green for the main title, lighter green for the year title, and then color the text for better contrast. Next, I will select the remaining cells and add a light gray color by selecting the Fill Color button and then the More Colors menu item. In the Color dialog box, I will select the Custom tab. This will allow me to choose my own colors. I will use the RGB color mode and enter 240 for all 3 colors, which is a light gray. Now, I will select the quarterly data cells and color them white. To complete the table customization, we will add icons to represent the different types of transportation and then individual cell graphs for the data. We need to make more room for our icons, so select the cells and let's also add the main total. Right-click and select the Format Cells menu item. In the dialog box, select the Alignment tab and then increase the indent by 1. In the horizontal drop-down box, select the right indent. The indent value provides the text with a little breathing room between the line border and text. In the top menu area, select the Insert menu item. To add icons, select the Icons button in the Illustrations panel. Use the search field to add the icons for all 5 transportation types. Select the Insert button to add all 5 at once. Use the bottom right resizing handle to quickly resize all icons to the approximate row height. Then select each icon and move to the corresponding cell. Let's do an Align Center on all icons. If you're not sure where to find the Align tools, we can use the search field. Type Align in the search field, then mouse over the Align Objects item, and then select the Align Center menu item. To color the icons, select All Icons. A right-click will display the menu, and a quick method for selecting a fill color. We will select a lighter green for the icons. Next, we will add a color bar to each value in the main data cells. In the Ribbon Bar Styles panel, select the Conditional Formatting drop-down box. In our example, we will select the data bar's menu item and then a green gradient bar. The last thing we need to do is format our total value at the bottom right. Since this is always an important value, we can draw the user's eye to his number by the following. Merge the total value over 4 cells. Add a thick line that is dark green. Select the Outline Border button. Let's now bold the text and increase the font size a few times. To view our finished table, let's remove the spreadsheet grid lines. In the search field, type Grid and then select the View Grid Lines menu item. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial of benefit.